Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly make changes to the BP Wingsuit character by use of inheritance. So, let's say for this level I'm liking how the wingsuit is feeling, but I don't know, something's just, it's a bit too fast, you can do a bit too much, you can keep boosting for way too long. Let's change that. So, one way to do that is we can create a child blueprint. Go over here in the Wingsuit Assets folder, found in the Content folder, right-click BP Wingsuit Character, and hit Create Child Blueprint Class. So right here, we can name our child. Let's name it BPC underscore Wingsuit Character City. So once you open up your newly created child actor, you can see not much really. The variables are empty, and the event graph is empty as well. This is because we've created a child. If you want to make changes to the parent, you can either duplicate the actor and then make changes from there, or you can make changes to the parent actor directly. But to work non-destructively, we'll use a child today. Go over here in the My Blueprint section and hit Show Inherited Variables. Now you can go over here under the Variables tab and change the desired variables. Over here in Wingsuit, let's say we want to change the max glide speed, acceleration, and maybe even the max boost value. We can go over here, change this to 200, set the max glide acceleration to 250, and the max gliding speed to 700. Let's compile, go back to the city demo, and play. Wait. In order to use our newly created child actor, we can go over here next to the details panel in world settings. We can go and hit the game mode override, go to the Wingsuit game mode, and over in default pawn class, we can hit BP Wingsuit Character and scroll down to our newly created child character, which in this case is BPC underscore Wingsuit Character City. Now when we hit play, we have our newly created child actor. The gliding is way slower and our boost runs out way quicker. If you quickly want to make changes to your character and you don't want to keep going back to this menu, or you don't want to show inherited variables since it also applies to other blueprints, then you can go over here in your level, delete the player start, and drag in your child actor. Making sure that they're on the ground correctly, you can now go over in the details panel, scroll down and see all the public variables made available. Let's say we're still not happy with the max gliding speed. We can increase it right here, let's say 1200. And I actually found the reeling to be a bit too fast as well for a new character. So let's set this down to 150. Now when we hit play, we're possessing our new character. We can go over here, we can glide very slowly, and our reel is slower as well. Don't be afraid to experiment a bit, as you can always hit the default value button right over here to reset it to its parent's default value. The only values available to you here are the ones that I specifically made publicly available, just so you don't tweak any values that would break functionality of the character. If you want to change any more variables that you created yourself in the parent blueprint, make sure to set them to public by going into your parent blueprint, going over here in the Variables tab, and selecting public from this eye right here. Another tip, if you're slowing down the character, it's always handy to reset the clamp of the velocity. So you can go right here and change the lateral velocity clamp to, let's say, 2000, since I'm using a lot of acceleration in the wingsuit. So right now it's being clamped, and as you can see now, it's a lot smoother than it was before. Alright, hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.